In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use LinkedIn Sales Navigator as a sales team, and you will see how you can optimize each LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscriptions to save more money and export more leads. Let's dive in. All right, so as you can see, I'm currently on LinkedIn Sales Navigator, and basically when you do a search, so for example, let's say that you want to target people who are head of sales in a company headcount between 200 to 1,000 people. And now let's say we want to target people based in the US. And you see here that with these three filters, we have more than 1,500 leads. Now, if you want to export these people, you know that you can't do that natively on LinkedIn Sales Navigator. And that's why you need to use a third-party tool like GiveMeLeads. And basically with a tool like GiveMeLeads, you have a button like this one, Extract Leads. So once you are happy with your search, you just need to click on Extract Leads, and then you will be redirected to your GiveMeLeads account. And then here what you can do is to give the number of people you want to extract. So let's say just for this tutorial, 50. Then here you say that you want to get the verified emails of these leads, and then you click on Export Leads, and then you will see that our export will be running. Okay, so now that you know how to export leads from one LinkedIn Sales Navigator account, I want to show you why it's useful to have multiple LinkedIn Sales Navigator accounts, especially if you have a sales team. So basically with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you have a limit on the number of leads you can export per day. This limit is 2,500 leads a day. Of course, you can export more, but it's not very safe for your LinkedIn account. And if you use a scraping tool that scrape more than this number, so 2,500 leads a day, I have to tell you that it's not safe for your LinkedIn account. So if you want to keep your LinkedIn account safe, 2,500 leads a day is perfect, and don't try to export more. Now, you know that when you export leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Apollo, for example, you will get between 50 to 60% of emails, and you can go up to 80% of find emails from your leads. So at the end, it means that with just one LinkedIn Sales Navigator account, you can get between 1,500 leads emails from your leads and up to 2,000 emails. So if this number of emails is perfect for you, you just need to subscribe to one LinkedIn Sales Navigator account. But now, if you want to send more cold emails, you need to export more leads. So for example, 5,000. And with this number, you can get between 3,000 to 4,000 emails per day. So you see with these numbers that you can export a lot of leads with just one or two LinkedIn Sales Navigator accounts. Now, if you are in the case where you manage multiple LinkedIn Sales Navigator accounts for your sales team, I want to show you how you can easily use multiple LinkedIn Sales Navigator accounts to export a lot of leads. So for that, we go here on GiveMeLeads. Then you just need to go here on the bottom left of your screen, and then you click on Accounts. So with GiveMeLeads, you can connect multiple LinkedIn Sales Navigator accounts to increase the number of leads you want to export. So here, for example, you see that I have one LinkedIn Sales Navigator account connected. And now if I want to connect a second LinkedIn Sales Navigator account, I just need to click on Add LinkedIn Account. Then here, I just need to enter the credentials, and then I click on Login. Okay, so now I just need to enter a code that I've just received on my phone. Then I click on Submit. And now you see that I have two LinkedIn Sales Navigator accounts connected. And what's interesting is that you can switch the LinkedIn Sales Navigator accounts you want to use to scrape the data. So if I want to check the list of leads exported with this account, I just need to click on the top left of my screen. And here I have all the list of leads I've exported with this account, Gregoire David. Now, if I click on this account, so switch account, are you sure you want to switch to this LinkedIn account? Yes, switch account. then here you see that we haven't exported leads with this LinkedIn Sales Navigator account. So now let's say that you want to export leads with this LinkedIn account. Very easy. You go here and you click on New Export. Then you will be redirected to LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Here you do a search. So let's say head of marketing, company headcount, let's say 500 to 1,000 people. And then let's say we want to target people based in San Francisco, like this. And then all we need to do is to go here and click on Extract Leads. And this time you can choose the LinkedIn account you want to use to export your leads. So for example, here you have two choices, Gregoire David or myself. So if I click on Gregoire David, you see that, let's say we want 50 leads, then we click on Export Leads, and then we will scrape the data with the first account. And of course, you can do that with the second account, so this one. So you see that you can easily switch your LinkedIn Sales Navigator accounts, and it will help you to export more leads from LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So if you have multiple LinkedIn Sales Navigator subscriptions and you want to easily export your leads in just one place, you can try for free GiveMeLeads by clicking the first link in the description. And now if you manage more than 3 LinkedIn Sales Navigator accounts, just send me an email. So if you want to do that, you go here in pricing, and then you click here on contact sales, and I will do my best to reply as soon as possible. And now that you know how to easily export your leads with multiple LinkedIn Sales Navigator accounts, if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find B2B leads, you can click somewhere on the screen. It was Vincent. I wish you a nice day, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.